Your beard was super black. What happened?
The day after we got married, it was.
That's my sign to walk away. Tina and Harpreet have a busy household with 3 young boys. Their only refuge is the master bedroom, which also doubles as a space where she does her online vlogging. I am gonna create an in-house getaway for these two that they're sure to love and their fans are sure to like.
Hi, I'm Harpreet. I'm a computer engineer.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm an online content creator. My channel is Mom Boss of 3 over on YouTube, and today we are turning the cameras around on Scott. He's here. Scott McGillivray is here.
What's going on right now? Who's filming who?
Oh, I'm filming you.
I thought you were on my show.
You're on my show.
Oh, look at you.
Welcome to the Mom Army.
The Marmy is
The Marmy.
watching. Okay, what's the plan today?
Bedroom has been exactly the same for 11 years.
Not the same. We've done something.
We've done nothing.
Okay, well, we got a day. We got a day to do it. I'm excited, I'm prepped, we've got a plan. You guys wanna show me around?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't even know who to look at anymore.
So this is our bedroom.
Whoa, okay. It's a good sized room.
Yeah, I mean, it used to be filled with cribs and baby stuff, but now we've moved on from that a little bit.
So do you work from this room?
I do. So I record some videos, like sometimes like in just a corner of this room when I need some quiet. Usually it's throughout my house, but this room is the main one for standalone videos.
Okay, so what do you want to see happen in here?
I feel like I just need something more modern, a cleaner look, a place that's for us, because the rest of our house is covered in toys.
All right, so let's do this. I think that if we clear this out, do a feature wall, do some painting, light fixtures, you know, sort of stage the whole room, maybe new bed, new mattress, that type of stuff. I think we can make a big impact if you guys are up for it.
Oh man, that would be awesome.
You're up for
Amazing,
it?
yes.
Okay, good. Let's clear things out.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys pack the personal things and
Okay.
I'll start just like moving things that I can grab.
Scott's moving all my stuff. It's a great day.
I know this wall, it doesn't look like much is going on yet because I want to get your buy-in on this idea. Come and join me. Okay, a little bit of tongue and groove slat board here. I'm gonna be running them like this. Actually, you know what? Tina, hop up here. Okay, Harpreet, you better get in here. You better check this out. This is Tina, hands on, like you've never seen her before.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared, you can do this. Nailed it. Screwed it, actually. All right, let's
Yeah.
step down and let's step back. The next board, obviously, which will be staggered, is gonna come in. A nice little bevel, just to give it that extra detail, but pretty bold, no?
Yeah, I love it.
All right, now that I have your seal of approval, we'll see you soon.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. Beautiful. That's gonna make a big difference from what the builder had here. Perfect. Let's build a bed. Oh, that looks good. Oh, so much better. It's the same one I have at home. It's so comfortable. Tina's gonna have to do all her vlogging in bed. Okay, gotta finish. I think we're ready. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Let's go take a look. Bring your camera.
Got it, got it. Oh my
Wow.
God. Okay, this looks like a different house.
Wow.
Come on.
Wow.
This looks amazing.
Oh my God, look at the bed.
So I actually brought you a brand new mattress. It's the same one I use. It's the Stearns & Foster with the Euro top on it. I mean, you got the carpet as well, which it's just such a simple thing to put an area rug in here. The other little addition, again, just things like the light fixture. What about the feature wall?
Oh, I love
So
it.
nice.
It's got texture to it. It sort of warms up the room.
I really love the fact that it's such a beautiful backdrop for all of my videos.
It's time to show your fans.
Yes, let's show them.
Okay, here we are, gang. We're talking to the Marmy. We just did a big upgrade on the bedroom, so you are gonna have a new backdrop. Boom. We're happy?
I'm so happy, beyond happy. is such an amazing transformation in the room, like from the feature wall to the bed to all the different backgrounds that are gonna be so great for my videos.
It's so amazing, and I can't believe it was all done in a day.
One day.
It would have taken me 7 years.
7
and a few more
years.
gray hairs.
Maybe we'll do this here style. Okay, I am totally here, and like this is the bedroom beforehand.
Scott, you
What?
need some tips on vlogging.